We're here at Dolce Pizzeria and Restaurant in Ford's to combine two of my favorite things, pizza and romance. At Dolce Pizzeria and Restaurant, you'll find mouth-watering recipes that the DiPietro family has loved and shared for generations, many originating from their hometown in Italy. No strangers to the business, the family has been running pizzerias since 2001 and opened this sweetly named location in 2020. In addition to a full menu of Italian favorites, they offer their own signature pizza combos, family specials, and even have their delicious heart-shaped dishes to impress those you love. Like these Zeppelis. How'd they even do that? If you're looking to feed yourself, your family, or your Valentine, stop by Dolce today. I'm in love.